and gentlemen, welcome to Aruba. Please remain seated until our ground staff gives us a sign that we can start disembarking. And that means that after we reached the gates, we kindly request you to remain seated a little longer and please don't open the luggage bins yet, as there is a COVID disembarking procedure. We will call the row numbers that can come to the exit. As we mentioned before, passengers in transit to Amsterdam are also required to disembark, and please take all your hand luggage and personal belongings with you. However, we would kindly ask the passengers with destination Aruba to disembark first. We say goodbye to you here. We hope you enjoyed your flight with us, and we thank you for flying KLM Air France and SkyTeam. We hope to welcome you on board soon again. And on behalf of Captain van der Pol and his crew, we wish you a very pleasant stay. Nou, je had het waarschijnlijk allemaal begrepen. Hartelijk welkom op Aruba. Wij hopen dat u een prettige terug met ons heeft gehad. Namens de KLM en de SkyTeam, hartelijk dank en tot ziens. We wensen u een heel prettig verblijf hier.
Disarm slides.